Welcome back. The head of Department of Physical Education, Don Bosco College, Panjim, Dr. Kennedy De Silva, along with 5 others, undertook a walkathon from the city of Mangalore in Karnataka to Margao in Goa. Beginning the march on Independence Day, Kennedy, along with his friends M.J. Sujan, Lawrence Mascarenhas, Anand Chadwankar, Edson Martins and Lazarus Fernandez, traversed the distance of 410 kilometers in a span of 5 days and reached Margao yesterday. A welcome reception was organized at the Margao Residency by the Goa Tourism Development Corporation, where the team was given a warm welcome by the Additional Collector Prasanna Acharya and Executive Director of GTDC Laxman Kaulekar. Speaking to Goa 365, Dr. Kennedy shared his views on the walkathon.
And the whole idea of this 410 kilometers walk right from Mangalore to Goa was to create an awareness of the benefits of walking for good health. Apart from, one thing was the health part, but apart from that we also wanted to address 2 other issues. One was the petrol issue that is rising day by day, and the other one is about pollution because of vehicles.
Dr. Kennedy also had a word of advice for today's youth.
What is happening is today all youngsters, they just pick up their bikes and their cars and they are on the streets not wanting to walk even a single bit, a kilometer also. And so even at the age of 30, you find people having diabetic problems, people having blood cholesterol problems, they're having blood pressure problems. So many of them dying of even heart attacks these days. So that is to create an awareness among the people.
The 13th All Goa Bhajan contest was organized in memory of late Shri Pundalik Shetye Narvekar and late Srimati Anandi Bishi Parab by the Sada Youth Cultural Association at Headland Sada, Vasco. Altogether, there were 10 groups contesting in the men's category and 9 groups in the women's category. Mormugao MLA Milind Naik was the chief guest on the occasion. Datta Seva Bhajani Mandal of Savoy Vere won the first prize in the ladies section, while Sateri Yuvak Sangh Maulabati notched the top spot in the men's category. A fashion show was held at a prominent lounge bar, Loungefly, at Baga recently. The show displayed works of Goan designers Philu Martins and Monty Sally. The show started off with Philu Martins displaying her chic yet elegant creations in hues of white, green and saffron, keeping in tune with the long Independence Day weekend.
In every aspect of life, whether it's motherhood and career,
She also had models walking down the ramp showcasing some bold designs in colors like hot pink and red.
I'm cheating myself.
Speaking to Goa 365, designer Philu Martins explained the theme behind her designs.
The main thing was peace and independence, and that's the reason why I worked on the inspiration of India and its colors like saffron, white and green, of course. And you have seen the collection that most of it had styles created, women fully liberated, presenting their strength and power. The women of today who they are ready to do anything. Today's women, may it be motherhood, glamour, anything.
In tomorrow's edition of our news bulletin, we shall feature designs by Monty Sally displayed at Loungefly. But before we wind up, here's a reminder of the headlines. Opposition attacks government on law and order issue. Anti-SEZ mob attacks K. Rahija property at Verna. State witnesses an acute shortage of petrol and diesel. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.